guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I wanted to share with you 5 of my best bathroom cleaning hacks. I know you all love my cleaning content over here and I thought it'd be a good idea to share with you 5 of my top tips for cleaning your bathroom. So without further ado, let's jump into the video and I really hope that you enjoy. So tip number 1, being a mum, I love anything I can do that means that I'm multitasking and getting more jobs done at the same time. So while the kids are in the bath, I try and take this opportunity to clean down all the bathroom surfaces while I can keep an eye on them. So I'll clean down all the sinks, the toilet area, I'll even do the shower whilst they're in the bath separately, and it just means I can get all these jobs done at one time whilst I know where the kids are. It just means this time's really productive and it means that I can have a chat with them whilst I'm doing it, and who doesn't love a bit of company while you're cleaning. So I also take around my little cleaning caddy, and in this I keep things like my gloves, I keep cloths, I've got spray bottles, and of course I've got a few of my favourite Bloo products. In here at the moment I'm using the Bloo Total Hygiene and Shine Toilet Gel in the scent Flower Burst. This smells like a spa day, it has to be said, and you'll know over here on my channel how much I love the scent of essential oils. This is like the bougiest toilet cleaner that you can get, it's so good. All you have to do is just put this around the rim of your toilet, leave it for 30 minutes. I also use my toilet brush to give it a good rub in. That is completely optional because it's strong enough on its own, and then I just flush it away and the whole bathroom smells amazing. Another product that's a bit of a multitasker is this one here, and it's the Blue Colour Active Rim Block. It's in the fragrance fresh flowers as well, and this also turns your water blue. Personally, I just love Blue products because I feel like I've properly cleaned the bathroom when I've changed the colour of the water, and it just literally sits at the edge of your toilet bowl. It's a 4-function formula. It's got cleaning foam that cleans the toilet with every flush. It's got dirt protection that helps prevent resoiling. It's also got extra fresheners that gives a long lasting scent in the bathroom. And lastly, it is anti-lime scale. You literally just hang this in your toilet bowl and it does the work for you. Then we've got our in-cistern blocks, which you guys know I am absolutely obsessed with. I love the fact that it cleans and foams the toilet as well, so it's not really a job that we love doing, but when you've got products that really help you along the way, it makes it so much easier. So this turns your water blue as well, and you just pop it in and it keeps it foaming and clean for up to 8 weeks with every flush. Like I said, when I use my toilet gel cleaner, I use a toilet brush to get it really scrubbed nice and clean. But the best way to dry this is to literally sit it on the edge of your toilet, close down the lid and let it dry for around an hour. This way it can drip dry completely before you pop it back in the holder. I've got really rich tiles, especially in my ensuite here, and one of my favourite hacks for cleaning them is using a refillable scourer. You can just pop in your cleaner in the chamber and then use this to scrub into your tiles and get into every nook and cranny. This is such a good tip and it works every time. I find the best way to clean my shower head is to take a clear reusable bag, pop in some vinegar, and then tie this round your shower head using a hair tie. This way it will get rid of any of that build-up of soap, scum and lime scale and get your shower running really clean again. And for my last tip, it's probably my favourite one because it saves so much time and gets them really clean, and that is to take all of your kids' bath toys, and also things like your soap holder, your toothbrush holder, any of the items in your bathroom drawers, you can pop them into your dishwasher to clean them. Just run them on a regular cycle and this gets them really clean and also stops any build-up of scum on your kids' toys whilst they're playing in the bath. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing my quick fire 5 top tips for the bathroom. If you've got any tips or hacks of your own, or you've got a favourite Blue product, then please let me know below. And thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and check out the link in my description box below for more tips on cleaning your bathroom. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye!